In the past, I created some videos about using TikTok in China, but some of the methods are not working anymore, so I decided to do some research and bring another new video how you can use TikTok in China and in any other blocked country, and this is the ultimate solution. You don't need to unplug your SIM card. Like if I unplug the SIM card and use a VPN, we could use TikTok in China, but this method is without unplugging SIM card. And I'll also show you how you can avoid shadow banning. What is shadow banning? If you're using TikTok with the help of some VPN, sometimes you're shadow banned and your content is not reaching to the more audience. So let's go to the screen here. I'm already attached to this mobile phone screen here, and I'll show you how you can use TikTok in China or any other banned country with some easy tricks. Alright, so first of all, connect to a VPN. For me, I'm using a NordVPN that is not actually working here in China these days, but Privado is the best option. If you want to get this one, the affiliate link is in the description. Go there, check it out and buy. And your little bit support will be okay for me if you buy this one. That works quite better on any device and you can use it on 10 devices. Alright, so once you are connected to a VPN, then go to any of your browser here. I'm using Chrome, you can use Safari. Go to tiktok.com, and remember, you cannot download it directly from the Apple Store or Android Store. So just go to this website and it will ask you to go directly to the app, but you don't need to download the app. Here you just need one thing, and that is, if you're using iPhone, then there is top right corner, there is share option. Go to this one and go to add to home screen and rename it anything. It could be TikTok. As you can see there is a shortcut that has been created. Now this one, I can move it anywhere, right? It seems like an app and it's on iPhone. You can check it out if you're using an Android phone, that the same option is there. After that, open TikTok and here you go. It will ask you to open TikTok. I don't have app. And if I just go open TikTok, open app, it will directly bring me to the Apple Store. But here you can scroll same like TikTok. That's it. Maybe the screen is a little bit lower, but that's all right. You can unmute or just go for these videos. And here I'm gonna go to my profile here, sign up. Now I will log in my TikTok account here. Go to login in the bottom. Use phone number or email. I'm gonna go for the email. Enter your credentials and hit login. Alright, here we are. Now do these security checks, and here I'm logged into my account and here are all the videos. I would like to mention a drawback, because you can just go like this video or share or comment everything you can do here on this app, but one thing is very much important: you cannot upload your data, and for that you need to use it on your computer, MacBook or PC. That's quite easy. I'm gonna show you there as well. Well, to upload your videos, you need to go to the web version. Here I'm on Safari, tiktok.com, and here you can get the same app like this one, or you can simply use the web version. I have downloaded like this one. You can create an app, like make an app on Safari browser. So I have already made this app here, and I can open, this will open like an app. Log in here. Alright, so after logging in, here you are. You can scroll this one and go to your profile here, or upload any video you want to upload here on the browser, and it's the same account you are using on your phone. But this is how you can use TikTok here. Unfortunately, there is no direct way to upload, but you can still use like, comment, share, view, and you can also see the progress of your videos on your mobile phone and upload them here on PC. That's all right, no problem. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.